morning, students and parents. A warm welcome in this online education program organized by Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I, Mrs.Anushka Gurav, will be teaching you English today. So let's start our today's session. Children, today we will start our session with one song. Are you ready? Yes? Okay, thank you. So let's start our song. Okay? 1, 2, 3, start. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today? I am great, I am fine, I am great, I am fine, I am great, I am fine, I am fine today. Once again. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today? I am great, I am fine, I am great, I am fine, I am great, I am fine, I am fine today. See children, we have taken this song, okay? It was one action song also, welcome song also, and I'm asking about you. How are you all? Okay, what you all are doing? So, children, today our topic name is getting to know each other. Okay, getting to know each other means to know about other person. Okay, to learn about them, to know about them, what they are doing, what is their name. Okay, how are they? That is the our topic. Okay, our topic name is getting to know each other. Okay, so children, there is one person is there to meet you. Okay, see, okay, she is Dolly. Okay, she is one doll, and her name is Minnie. Okay, she is there to meet you. Okay, today your first session is there. You all are in first standard. It is our very first session, very first online session. So she is there to meet you, to welcome you all, to ask you all, how are you, to know about you all. Okay, so let's talk with her. Hello, hello. So what she say? Hi. Teacher. Yes, hello. Hi. What is your name? My name is Mini. What I ask her? What is your name? What is your name? Okay. So what she said? My name is Mini. Okay. How old are you? What I asked her? Her age. How old are you? I am 6 years old. All the 6 years old students are there in standard 1. Okay. So what she said? I said, how old are you? She said, I am 6 years old. She is 6 years old. She's a girl. Her name is Mini. She is 6 years old. Do you go to school? Yes, I go to school. She's telling, yes, I go to school. What is your school name? What I ask her? What is your school name? My school name is Supari Tank School. Okay, she studies in Supari Tank School. In this standard? Standard 1. So she's your friend only. She's also first standard student. She goes to school. She's 6 years old. Okay. So what I asked her about herself, her information. Who is she? What's her name? Okay. Her age, her school. That is to know about herself. Getting to know about each other. Understood? So children, what we have done here, I asked her some information and she gave me some information about her. Okay, who is she? What's her name? How old she is? This is only getting to know each other. I will ask her some information. She will ask me some questions. Okay, now myself. Our second step. Okay, you want to tell about yourself. Okay, for example, me. I am telling about myself. So how I'll say, I am a girl. My name is Anushka. Suppose I am first standard student. So I am 6 years old. Okay. Then I go to school. I study in standard 1. Okay, clear? Then we can add some more information. My mother name, my father name. My mother name is Brushali. My father name is Vasanta. Then where do you will ask me, where do you live, teacher? So I live in Bandra. That is our information. Okay, understood everybody? So this is known as getting to know each other. Now, children, I will ask you some questions. You give me the answer. Okay, who is ready? Who is there? Children, you tell me, how old are you? How old are you? Who will tell?
I'm 6 years old.
Oh, you are 6 years old. Okay, your age is 6. Very good. Then my next question, what is your school name? What is your
Varshanagar BMC School.
Very good. So here what I did, children, I asked some information. I asked you some questions. Okay. Through this way, what we do, we come to know about other people. Understood? So wait a minute. I'll show you something. Yes. Can you see the screen, children?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. A warm welcome of all the students in this online education program. A warm welcome to all the students in this online education program organized by Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. This is an innovative and free online education program for all the children. This is a statewide program. We all are studying in standard 1. Our subject is English and our topic is getting to know each other. Okay, get the information about other people and tell about yourself. That is getting to know each other. So let's start our session, children. Hello, hi. When we meet people, what we say? Hello, hi. We say no, hello. Through this way, yes, through these words, we start our conversation. We start our meeting. Okay. Hello, hi. This very first step is then introducing yourself. Okay, so now we'll see how we introduce ourselves or how we start our conversation. Yes, what we ask, where do you live? So we can say, yes, I live in Bandra, I live in Andheri, I live in Ghatkopar, okay, I live in Mahim. Then second question, what school do you go to? Or what is your school name? Then my school name is Adarsh Nagar School. My school name is Petit School. My school name is Andrew School. Okay, that we can ask. They are very simple questions, and through this way, we come to know about the people. Then, देखो, hello. Then second question is, how are you? Okay, we can ask them, how are you? They'll say, yes, I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. What's your name? Then they can say, my name is Anushka. My name is Sohel. My name is Farhan. Then, how old are you? Fourth question is, how old are you? I am 6 years old. I am 7 years old. Okay. So through this way, we can come to know. See, what's your name? Hello. My name is dash dash dash. My name is Rohan. My name is Sanya. How old are you? I am 7 years old. I am 8 years old. I am 6 years old. Uh, then how are you? I am fine. If someone asks us, how are you? Then I'll say, I'm fine. I'm good. Okay. I'm great. See, now about myself. If teacher tells you, tell about yourself, say myself, then how will say, my name is this. My name is Anushka. I am 6 years old. The name of my father is Vasant. The name of my mother is Dushali. Some other information also you can add. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. What is your brother name? My brother name is Aman. What is your sister name? My sister name is Nisha. See, so children, what you all are going to do at home today? You all will write 5 sentences about yourself. Okay. For example, I am a boy. My name is Sahil. I am 6 years old. I go to school. My school name is Supari Tank School. Okay. Yes. See. So children, we have seen about getting to know each other. Okay. How we come to know about other people. Now teacher will ask you about yourself. Who is ready? Who will tell me the answers? The very first session, children. And in this session, what we all are doing? Okay, we are just getting information about other children, about teacher. What is teacher's name? What is your name? How old are you? Okay, so who is ready? We'll do the conversation. Who is ready? Hello?
I'm ready.
Yes. Are you ready? I can't hear you. Hello?
I'm ready.
Okay, I am okay. Are you ready? Yes. So let's start. My first question is, hello. What is your name?
My name is Mohammed Tahir.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, good. Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you stay?
I came to the study.
Okay, good. Uh, in which school do you, in which standard you are? Hello, in which standard you are?
One.
Standard? You are in which standard?
One standard.
Okay. And what is your teacher name? What is your teacher name? Hello. Okay, my next question. Which is your favorite color? Your favorite color?
Yellow.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much. So children, through this way, when we'll meet our friends, we can get their information. We can ask about themselves. Okay, how are they? which is their favorite color. And these things will help you while writing about yourself, myself composition, or my best friend, or my mother, or my father. You'll get the information and you can write about it. Okay. So I what homework I have given you today to write about you, about yourself. Okay. Any 5 sentences you can write. What is your name? Who are you first of all? I am a girl or I am a boy. My name is so and so. I am this much years old. I go to school. My school name is Supari Tank Principal School, whatever it is. Okay, I study in standard one. My teacher name is so and so. My father name is, my mother name is, my lot of information you can get. Okay, it will increase your sentences also. Understood? You'll get much and more information. You can write about your friends also. This is the very first tip about introduction, about yourself, about your friends, about your teacher. This is our very first day, about very first session. What we have done today, we got information about each other. Okay, we did conversation. I talked with you. I asked about you. Very first tip. What will start very first? We'll say good morning. Good morning. We'll say hi, how are you? Then what is your name? Okay. You are in which standard? Uh, in which school do you go? So this way we can ask about our friends and we can give about ourselves. We can give information about ourselves also. Understood everyone? Do you have any doubt in this? Do you have any doubt in this? No? Wait, huh? One second, we'll do the demo. She's Minnie and she'll tell about herself. Hello, I'm a girl. My name is Minnie. I am 6 years old. I go to school. My school name is Petit School. I study in standard 1. My favorite color is pink. Okay? Like this, you all will write 5 to 6 sentences in your notebook about yourself. Understood? Thank you.